Welcome back. Modify yourself. Before we begin, take a deep breath, because what you are about to hear is not just motivation, it's a reminder of who you were born to become. Right now, somewhere high above the mountains, an eagle is flying alone. No noise, no crowd, no fear. While other birds are fighting over crumbs on the ground, the eagle is calm, focused, and unbothered. And the most powerful truth is this: the eagle is not special because of luck. The eagle is powerful because of its mindset. Today, you are not here to be entertained. You are here to awaken the eagle within you. Most people live their entire lives like chickens. They wake up, complain, panic, follow the crowd, fear storms, fear failure, fear being alone. They stay close to the ground because it feels safe. But safety slowly kills greatness. The eagle was never made to live on the ground. It was made to rule the sky, and neither were you made for a small, fearful life. The eagle mindset begins with vision. An eagle can see its prey from miles away. While others only see problems, the eagle sees opportunity. While others focus on what is missing, the eagle focuses on the target. Ask yourself honestly, what are you looking at every day? Are you staring at your problems, your past, your limitations? Or are you locked in on your purpose, your future, your potential? Where your vision goes, your life follows. Weak minds are distracted. Strong minds are focused. The eagle does not chase everything. It chooses one target and commits fully. That is why it rarely misses. You don't fail because you are incapable. You fail because your focus is divided. Too many dreams, too many excuses, too much noise. Develop the discipline to lock your eyes on one goal and refuse to look away, no matter how long it takes. Now listen carefully. Storms scare small birds. The moment the wind rises, they hide, they panic, they crash. But the eagle loves storms. When the storm comes, the eagle spreads its wings and uses the wind to rise higher. What breaks others is what lifts the eagle. This is a mindset shift that can change your life forever. Problems are not punishments. Problems are promotions. Pain is not your enemy. Pain is your training ground. Every struggle you are facing right now is not there to destroy you. It is there to upgrade you. If life feels heavy, it's because you're being prepared to fly higher. Stop asking, why me? And start asking, what is this trying to make me? The eagle also teaches us the power of solitude. Eagles fly alone, not because they are antisocial, but because their destination requires silence, clarity, and strength. Everyone cannot understand your journey. Everyone cannot go where you are going. Sometimes growth requires distance. Sometimes success demands separation. If you are losing friends while leveling up, don't panic. If people stop understanding you, don't explain. Chickens will never understand the eagle's flight. When you choose discipline, when you choose growth, when you choose purpose, loneliness may appear, but loneliness is not emptiness. Loneliness is the space where greatness is built. Another powerful lesson of the eagle mindset is renewal. When an eagle reaches a certain age, it faces a brutal choice: die slowly or go through intense pain to be reborn. It retreats to a mountain, breaks its beak, waits for a new one to grow, pulls out its old feathers, endures isolation and agony, and then it flies again, stronger than ever. Let that sink in. Growth hurts, transformation is painful, reinvention is uncomfortable, but staying the same is deadly. If you want a new life, you must be willing to let go of the old you. Old habits, old excuses, old identities, old fears. You cannot fly with broken wings. You cannot rise while holding on to what is weighing you down. Many people pray for change but refuse the process. They want strength without struggle, success without sacrifice, confidence without discipline. The eagle mindset understands one truth: pain is temporary, regret is permanent. Choose the pain that builds you, not the comfort that breaks you. The eagle does not beg for approval. It does not wait for validation. It does not ask permission to rise. It knows who it is, that is self. belief that is inner authority. You don't need everyone to believe in you. You need you to believe in you, even if no one claps, even if no one supports, even if no one sees your vision yet. Confidence is silent. Insecurity is loud. Stop explaining yourself to people who don't want to understand. Stop shrinking to make others comfortable. You were not created to fit in. You were created to stand out. The eagle also teaches patience. It can wait for the right moment, conserving energy, observing, preparing. But when it strikes with full force. There is a time to wait and a time to act. Wisdom is knowing the difference. Don't rush your journey, but don't delay your purpose either. Prepare in silence. Move with intention. Execute with courage. Remember this. Eagles don't fight snakes on the ground. They lift them into the sky, where the snake has no power. That is strategy. That is intelligence. Stop fighting battles at levels where you are weak. Elevate, upgrade, change the environment. When you rise mentally, emotionally, spiritually, the problems that once threatened you lose their power. Most limits exist only in the mind. Fear is learned. Doubt is programmed. You were not born insecure. You were taught to be small. Today, you unlearn that. Today, you choose the eagle mindset, a mindset of courage, a mindset of focus, a mindset of discipline, a mindset of growth. You are not behind, you are being built. You are not weak. You are becoming stronger. You are not lost. You are being redirected. Trust the process, but work relentlessly. Pray, but move. Dream, but execute. Visualize, but discipline your actions. Now listen to me carefully, because this is your moment. Decide today that you will no longer live on the ground. Decide that excuses end here. Decide that fear no longer controls your choices. Decide that storms will lift you, not break you. Decide that solitude will strengthen you, not weaken you. Decide to become dangerous in your discipline, unstoppable in your focus, unshakable in your belief. This world doesn't need another chicken. This world needs eagles, leaders, visionaries, warriors of purpose. And that eagle is already inside you, waiting for permission to fly. So here is your call to action. When this ends, do not just feel inspired, act. Write down one habit that keeps you grounded and start breaking it today. Set one goal that scares you and take the first step within 24 hours. Reduce the noise. Cut the distractions. Spend time alone building yourself. Feed your mind daily with growth. Train your body. Strengthen your spirit. And every time fear whispers, you can't, respond with action. If this message awakens something inside you, don't keep it to yourself. Share it, subscribe, become part of a movement that chooses growth over comfort, purpose over pleasure, and vision over fear. This is Modify Yourself, reminding you, you were not born to crawl, you were born to fly. Welcome back, Modify Yourself. Stay with me, do not rush. Let these words sink deep into your soul, because what you are developing right now is not motivation for a moment, but a mindset for a lifetime. An eagle does not question the sky. It does not ask if it deserves to fly. It does not wait for permission from other birds. Flying is its identity, and the greatest tragedy of human life is forgetting our identity. You were not created to survive, you were created to rise. Somewhere along the way, fear replaced faith, comfort replaced courage, and approval replaced authenticity. Today, that ends. Look around you. Most people are exhausted, not because life is hard, but because they are living below their potential. They wake up tired, chase things that don't matter, listen to voices that don't care, and sleep with regret. That is not a physical problem. That is a mindset problem, and mindset is everything. The eagle mindset refuses to live in mediocrity. It does not settle. It does not negotiate with laziness. It does not postpone greatness for tomorrow. It understands one brutal truth: time does not wait. Every day you delay growth, you are silently choosing a smaller life. Understand this deeply. Your environment will try to train you to think small. Society rewards conformity, not courage. It celebrates comfort, not discipline. If you think differently, you will be questioned. If you move differently, you will be criticized. If you rise, you will be attacked. That is not a sign you are wrong. That is proof you are becoming powerful. Eagles are misunderstood by smaller birds. Their silence is mistaken for weakness. Their patience is mistaken for fear. But when the time comes, their action silences all doubt. You don't need to announce your plans. You don't need to prove anything. Let your results speak. Let your consistency answer the noise. There will be days when you feel tired. Days when motivation disappears. Days when quitting feels easier than continuing. This is where the eagle mindset separates itself from the rest. Motivation is emotional. Discipline is identity. Eagles don't fly only when they feel like it. They fly because that is who they are. Build routines that support your vision even when your emotions fail you. Your excuses sound real until you realize others succeeded with less. Less money, less support, less confidence, less opportunity. The difference was not talent, the difference was mindset. The eagle mindset takes full responsibility. No blaming the past, no complaining about the system, no waiting for perfect conditions. Responsibility is power. The moment you take ownership of your life, you regain control of it. Failure will come. Let me be clear about that. You will fall, you will make mistakes, you will doubt yourself, but failure is not the opposite of success. Winning is. Eagles miss sometimes, but they don't stop hunting. They adjust, they learn, and they strike again. Every failure is data. Every loss is a lesson. Every setback is a setup for a stronger return. Stop letting one bad day make you forget how far you've come. Stop letting one mistake define your future. You are not your failures. You are what you do after them. Rise again, always rise again. The eagle mindset also understands energy. Eagles don't waste energy arguing with crows. They don't chase meaningless battles. They protect their focus. You must do the same. Not every comment deserves a response. Not every invitation deserves your time. Not every opinion deserves your attention. Guard your energy like your life depends on it, because it does. Your dreams require energy. Your purpose demands focus. And distractions are the silent killers of greatness. Social media, negativity, comparison, gossip. These are cages disguised as entertainment. Eagles don't live in cages. If it doesn't help you grow, let it go. Comparison is another ground level trap. Chickens compare themselves to other chickens. Eagles compare themselves only to their potential. Your journey is unique. Your timing is personal. Stop measuring your chapter 1 against someone else's chapter 20. Stay in your lane, fly your altitude. There will come a moment when you realize not everyone wants you to win. Some people benefit from you staying small. Some feel threatened by your growth. Some only love you when you are convenient. The eagle mindset accepts this without bitterness. You don't need revenge. Success is the response. Growth is the answer. Let go of the need to be liked. Let go of the fear of being judged. You cannot chase approval and greatness at the same time. Choose greatness. Now listen closely. This journey will demand sacrifice, late nights, early mornings, uncomfortable choices, saying no when others say yes, walking away from habits, people, and places that no longer align with who you are becoming. Sacrifice is not loss, it is investment. You are trading who you are for who you could be. Every time you choose discipline over comfort, you strengthen the eagle within you. Every time you keep going when it hurts, Your wings grow stronger. Every time you act despite fear, you rise higher, and one day, quietly, suddenly, you will look back and realize you are no longer who you used to be. Your mindset will be sharper, your standards higher, your presence stronger. You won't need validation. You will radiate confidence. That is the power of becoming. So here is the final reminder. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. This is it. Stop waiting for confidence. Build it through action. Stop waiting for support. Become self-supported. Decide today to think higher, aim further, and rise above. Commit to daily growth, even when it's boring. Commit to discipline, even when it's hard. Commit to your vision, even when no one sees it yet. You don't need wings to fly. You need courage to jump. If this message spoke to your soul, don't let it end here. Apply it, live it, become it. Share this message with someone who is ready to rise. Subscribe, support, and be part of a movement that refuses to live small. This is Modify Yourself. Remember this forever. You were not born to blend in. You were born to soar. Develop the mindset of an eagle, and nothing will be able to hold you down.